Hey, awake. I know it's holiday. In these days, our body does not want work. That's why I am saying just awake. Being a tuition teacher, I am habitual to do only mind work. I just want to do physical work. Yes, I use phone or social media a lot. Sometimes it distracts me and sometimes it drains my energy. So here I need to stop this. Yes, I will use phone but for learning. So what am I learning nowadays? I just want to learn English. That's why I want discipline. I believe without discipline it does not work. I need to active my body. I need to physical work. I need to record daily video on English. That's why I should search things to do in my daily life to activate my mind and my muscles. So with discipline, I should start things. I should make a list like day 1, day 2, day 3 and record all etc. I believe that's how I can do best thing in my day. I can learn every day. So ultimately discipline is must in our life. Here you are learning English and you are listening English things and my learning story and all are in English. So now we can say we are creating English environment around us, which is very necessary for every English learner, for every beginner. Therefore, I write my thoughts on my notebook. Whatever is coming in my mind, I write first, then I record for practicing English. And now I am going to do this every day. And this is my discipline.